Hi everyone and welcome back to Maths and Physics with Mr. Simons. Today's lesson on sequence and series, looking at the third variation of finding unknown variables, but now with geometric sequence. So in the previous videos we looked at the linear sequence with unknown variables, we looked at quadratic with unknown, and now geometric. One of the three normally gets tested in exams, so make sure you know it. Right? So generally we would say determine the value of x. Consider, very important, you see we say it's a geometric sequence. We have 3x and 75. Right? So we want the value of that x for the sequence to continue in that vein. So we need to know for geometric sequence, term 2 divided by term 1 must equal term 3 divided by term 2. Alright? So term 2 there is x, term 1 is 3. Term 3 is 75. Term 2 is x. So I have x over 3 equals 75 over x. From there, we're going to cross multiply. So x times x equals 75 times 3. Right? X times x gives me x squared. 75 times 3 gives me 225. Right? And from there, when I find the square root of x squared, very important that I remember that the square root of 225 can be positive or negative, meaning 15 times 15 would give me 225 positive, and negative 15 times negative 15 will also give me positive 225. So there's square root of 225, x equal plus minus 15. Right, so my sequence can read now 3, 15, 75 or 3, negative 15, 75. So that is determining the value of x. And let's look at the second problem. Determine the value of x. Consider the geometric sequence 2x and 98. Right, so from there I have term 2 over term 1 equal term 3 over term 2, meaning the common ratio must be the same for it to be a geometric sequence. So I have x divided by 2 equal 98 divided by x. Right, again, x times x gives me x squared. 98 times 2 gives me 196. Right, from there, square root of x squared gives me x. Square root of 196 plus minus gives me plus minus 14. And my sequence reads 3, 14, 75 or 3, negative 14, 75. So as I say, this is the third variation of finding unknowns or solving for x. Make sure you know all three, right? Because one of those compulsory exam questions. Please like and subscribe. God bless you. Continue working hard and improving yourself. The more time you spend improving yourself, the more successful your life would be, right? The more maths you do, the greater your logic becomes. God bless. Bye.